The journey begins with a single step. Sonam and Lobsang embark on a path of service. Days are spent teaching, sharing, and aiding, an embodiment of selfless action. Through their kindness, Sonam and Lobsang deeply engage with the Four Noble Truths. Their serene actions bring a deep sense of peace, lessening their own struggles. Why are you always so happy even though you live such a simple life?
Ah, my young friend, the secret is to cherish contentment and to let go of greed and distress. That's where true happiness lies.
Sonam shares his wisdom with the inquisitive child, elaborating on the virtues that keep his spirit buoyant. Amid everyday life, the village square embodies simplicity and quiet joy. Lobsang, echoing the wisdom of their practice.
Through our practice, we've come to understand the joy of letting go of oneself.
Sonam and Lobsang mingle with villagers, their every gesture one of kindness and interest. They ask thoughtful questions, fostering a deeper sense of community. As seasons passed, Sonam and Lobsang, once novices themselves, became esteemed monks. With every word they spoke, the young monks absorbed the teachings, a testament to Sonam and Lobsang's guidance. Their roles as teachers had them delving into the complexities of the Dharma. Sonam speaks about the essence of Dharma in life.
True understanding of Dharma goes beyond mere words. It's about its active application in our everyday experiences.
Lobsang conveys the importance of mindfulness and compassion.
To live in Dharma is to be ever present, walking the path of mindfulness and compassion towards all beings.
As the gathering disperses, individuals thank Sonam and Lobsang. Nods and words of thanks are exchanged, lightening their hearts. The smiles and handshakes confirm the change they've ignited. Side by side, Sonam and Lobsang observe the strength and bonds within the community.